What is your opinion of Frigidaire versus Danby air conditioners?
I've heard of Frigidaire and their appliance defects. Danby is not as well known.
That's why I needed someone else's input.
Frigidaire is a well-known brand. You can find residential AC repairmen for it, even some who are under the Frigidaire warranty program.
That sounds promising.
It is a necessity, since Frigidaire units are problematic. They sometimes conk out once the temperatures hit 90.
That's when I need the AC to be running.
Frigidaire air conditioners' coils tend to leak, both water and refrigerant.
Now I could end up with ice on the condenser coils due to the frozen water while the rest of the house is broiling.
Frigidaire air conditioners tend to be loud, especially after a few months of use.
At least Frigidaire has a decent warranty.
The warranty lasts about 5 years, and it only covers parts. You are on your own paying for labor.
And labor is expensive. What do you think of Danby ACs?
Depending on where you look, they rate 2 to 3 stars.
That is not bad.
For every person who gives it 4 stars straight out of the box, 2 give it a 1-star rating for problems that show up a few days or weeks after installation.
What happens?
It generates so much condensation that the water reservoir could overflow.
I expect that from a Frigidaire fridge, not a Danby AC.
Danby doesn't give you information on how to maintain the unit yourself, like recharging the coolant, but it is hard to find repairmen who can service it.
That would be annoying.
The compressor is reluctant to start up.
If the compressor won't start up, the air conditioning may not run.
Now you're stuck with camping out in front of the fridge or lounging by the pool.
Or buying the Frigidaire AC instead.